I don't agree with Shiv Vishwanathan for once. Ambassador Casey is saying, why should Somnath Bharti not be pulled up for acting like Batman? For acting like a complete goon? That's not his job. He's not the law minister. Law minister doesn't mean he has to enforce the law. He has to make law. He doesn't understand that. Kejriwal wants the police official suspended but doesn't want to act against Somnath Bharti. What's the difference between him and everybody else?
You see, two wrongs don't make a right. Both have to be settled. Both have to be settled through due processes. Neither one is right.
Due process in one case is okay, in the other there's no
just a minute. Just a minute. Due process for a minister is the public pressure, will be a legal case. If there is a legal case, that process should be followed. Due process in case of the SHOs is a separate process. The two are not linked.
No, but the moral principle is the same. I'm surprised you're making this argument. How can the principles change?
No, can I make a point?
Isn't it on morality? If two people have done something wrong, supposedly, you ask for the same against both.
It is not on morality. It is on the basis of whether they were conducting themselves properly as SHOs in that area or
what
not.
about the minister and whether he was conducting himself properly?
Now that is something which the cabinet must address and the chief minister.
The cabinet and the chief minister is not addressing that issue.
So fair enough. Now that doesn't mean we go and sleep on a pavement outside his house. There I have to. You don't have
but
to.
But why does that not agitate Kejriwal? Why is it that he's agitated only with the cops?
I'm not answerable for Kejriwal. All I'm saying is
supporting him during this
No, I'm not supporting him. I'm saying that here is a series of incidents which need not have taken place. It has shaken up the system. The fundamental issue has not been addressed, which is who controls the police, and we are just dealing with episodes.
No, Kiran Walia, are you at all satisfied? One second, Kiran Walia, are you satisfied with what Rahul Mehra is saying? Don't you think that as far as morality is concerned, there's an equivalence of principle? You must act against Somnath Bharti if you want action against the SHOs. Both did something wrong. Kejriwal only sees one wrong, doesn't see the other wrong. Kiran Walia.
I fully agree with what Rahul is saying. This has not been just. Now it is for Kejriwal to throw this minister out and have somebody else instead, because in the eyes of public and everybody knows that he has totally violated due process of law and does not believe in the judicial system, in the courts, in anything, and case after case is not the only case. So in this particular case, now it is for Mr. Kejriwal to do justice to the people of Delhi and for the respect of women's dignity for which he's been crying. I think that the whole thing was a diversionary tactic. When Kejriwal government came to know that there is an FIR against one of their ministers, number two, they failed on every account when it comes to governance. Number three, they did not know how to face the people of Delhi now. Even on, the teachers on contract, every employee, he has not been able to meet them for last 10 days. So in this particular case, what he is trying to project as victory is nothing that he has achieved, and this is only something that the whole report and the inquiry would now reveal. As far as the other two cases are concerned, whether it's Paharganj case or in the case of Rakhi
is this demoralizing for the police that the chief minister wants action against the cops, but the chief minister wants to protect his own minister because he is an Aam Aadmi Party member, and therefore will this be demoralizing? Will they now look at the Delhi government with a lot of suspicion, Mr. Gupta?
No, I think I would not like to comment here what action he should take against his minister. That is already in public domain. But I can only say this sending officers on leave is perfectly okay because they have not been suspended. Sending them on leave pending inquiry, in my opinion, is the perfect via media, and it was a correct compromise formula because the people were suffering. And Rahul, there were more than 5,000 people deployed to handle this demonstration. Now they were taken away from the delivery of service to the people. Most of the police stations were vacant and they were deployed.
Those are the promises Kejriwal made, and those are the promises he should have been keeping, but he was too busy agitating and indulging in this gimmickry. We have a few minutes to go. I want to ask you, sir, do you believe from here the Aam Aadmi Party will unravel, implode, show that they are incapable of governance and self-destruct before the Lok Sabha elections? Or do you believe this will give them a new lease of life and they've begun their campaign for 2014?
Well, it can be either way. It depends on how they...
What's your sense?
No, it depends on how they play their cards. They have to take the decisions. They're going national, they have to expand, there are many more issues on which they have to take positions, and they have to contain the kind of actions and the verbalization that some of their ministers are doing. So that has to be contained. In a local, small state, you can do that. But when the whole stage is being watched by the world, you can't do that. Even a small slip-up is... See, there are articles in New York Times, there are articles in the international media. So anything which the Chief Minister of Delhi does today is being watched by the world. And therefore, any slip-up will get magnified.
No, and also there were people who were beginning to wonder if 2014 will become Rahul, Modi and Kejriwal together. Now they say, oh, we know what this man is capable of. Let's just make it a Rahul versus Modi fight.
Look, I think it's too preemptive. Let's be very clear. It is not as if the Aam Aadmi Party is not making mistakes. Nukkad melodrama can't be national policy. To a certain extent, I think this particular thing, which almost ended in an operatic way, will teach them that opera doesn't make for policy. They are very sensible people in the Aam Aadmi Party, from Yogen Yadav. I think there'll be a tremendous feedback, and you'll see a slightly different style of
If this is the way they do Nukkad, then when it comes to national politics, God alone knows what
No, you're wrong. I think let's disaggregate the thing. Somnath Bharati might be a lemon, but he is a big lemon. I can see the drama that you're getting out of him, but that doesn't exhaust the possibilities of the Aam Aadmi Party. You can give the Congress, the venerable Congress, 100 years. Can you give the Aam Aadmi Party 3 months?
Okay, that's the point. It's too early to write obituaries for Kejriwal.
See, the conduct of the government of Aam Aadmi Party is now in the public domain. Everybody has been watching with what sincerity and with what kind of dedication are they serving the people of Delhi. Whether it is double talk like what we've been seeing all this, whether it is responsible behavior like you have these deaths of people out of cold with no response from the Aam Aadmi Party. So all the conduct is being very carefully watched and people are analysing. Have we done the right thing?
Okay.
Is it what we wanted? Is this what we voted for? And I'm sure they'll make their choices.
Let people decide themselves. You've heard different points of view. We don't wish to impose our point of view on yours. You decide because you matter to us. And you've heard Shiv Vishwanathan, KC Singh, Captain Gopinath, the former police commissioner Kiran Walia and Rahul Mehra argue their points of view. You decide whether this is a disaster, whether this is the beginning of the end, or did Kejriwal do the right thing. On that note, we end Center Stage tonight. Thank you all my guests for joining us on the OB Vans, and most especially thank you to the three of you for joining us out in the winter chill. You have a bit of a sense of what Kejriwal and everybody else went through the last 24 hours. Probably the first time the Chief Minister Shiv Vishwanathan slept under the sun.
Yeah, but he could have seen that some of his night shelters might be working.
No, and not just that, there was one person who told me, one constable was walking here, there was one body curled up in a blanket. He said, "Ye kiska shareer hai?" Somebody who was awake on the other side, he said, "Delhi ka Chief Minister hai." You know, that also happened.
Danshu ji was talking of the 6 deaths, but at least the Chief Minister has tasted it last night. How many have?
And look at where Modi
takes action
look at where Arun Jaitley stays, look at where Modi stays. Message going out also is that the Chief Ministers here.
Tokenism and symbolism does not amount to governance. The time of tokenism and symbolism is over. He has to get down to governing the city. He has to ensure that there are no more deaths in the city.
You decide where you stand. We need to end up.
Water for the people
Those are
of Delhi.
serious challenges, and hopefully after this distraction is over, Kejriwal can get down to the real business of governance. We're ending Center Stage tonight. Look forward to seeing you at 9 p.m. tomorrow evening.